Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll look at how to create and customize personal queues. Each top-level queue in the help desk has an option at the bottom to add a personal queue. The personal queue you create here will inherit the criteria from the top-level queue it is created from. You can edit your personal queue by hovering over the cogwheel and clicking Edit. From the Criteria tab, you can specify what you see in your queue based on the fields you choose. For this example, let's view all tickets in the support department where the help topic is feedback. This narrows down the results we want to see, but it would also be helpful if we could see the department and help topic columns in the queue. Let's look at how to add columns. By default, our queue will inherit the columns of the parent queue, but we can uncheck the box to choose the columns we want to see. Now we can choose our columns to add. Let's add the date created as well. Note that in order to add columns to personal queues, some fields may have to be added to the queue from the admin panel. This is something we will go over how to do in another video. Now we can see the added columns in the queue. This is getting there, but the spacing of the columns could still be better. Let's modify the length of some of the columns and get rid of some of the information we don't necessarily want to see. Now that we have our personal queue looking nice, let's create a SubQ. Let's add a criteria for tickets assigned to me. The final tab to go over for personal queues is the Settings tab. From here, you can change the name of the queue, add a quick filter, or add a sort to your queue. For the quick filter, let's choose Create Date. Let's choose Create Date for the default sorting as well. Now we can see the quick filter and sort in the queue. You can change the direction of the sort by clicking the option again in the drop-down. Let's choose to see tickets created today. Finally, if you decide you want to delete a personal queue, you can do so by hovering over the cogwheel and clicking Delete. Just keep in mind that your subqueues will be deleted as well. That's all for this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to see more osTicket tutorials as they're uploaded. You can also check out the links in the description to get all the latest information on osTicket. As always, thanks for watching.